to provide for this 100% transition, every primary school should have a secondary school. Even in the 844 system, that would be where we would actually be going. That's where we would be going. Because the reason why we have been having a secondary school, one secondary school for every so many primary schools, is because some numbers fell off, some numbers fell off. But if we are transiting majority, the minimum it should be is that for every primary school, for every 2, you must have a secondary school. We must, to the extent possible, make education cheaper. The moment you move the place where the kids are going to be farther than the primary, you're already making it more expensive. Yeah? And you're already working against the transition. And because the whole concept is to make education affordable, affordable. And the affordability of education, even as we were pushing, is we should have more day schools because day schools are affordable.